Think making your own laundry detergent is a lot of work? We're here to tell you it doesn't have to be. In this episode, we'll learn how to make Lazy Girl DIY laundry detergent. It takes 2 minutes, has only 2 ingredients, and it costs less than $2. Right here on Lori Garcia Studios. To make this laundry detergent, you'll need a bar of laundry soap, like Zote or Fails Napa. You'll also need 1 cup of washing soda. This is different from baking soda and can be found in the laundry aisle. First, unwrap the soap. And cut it into long strips that will fit in your food processor. Next, put the shredding disc attachment on your food processor. Shred each piece of soap one at a time. Sometimes after shredding the soap, there's a little piece that doesn't want to cooperate. Set those aside and coarsely chop them up with a knife. Then put those chopped pieces in a bowl and take the shredded bits of soap and dump them into the bowl as well. Next, put the mixing blade into your food processor and put all the soap back in. If you have a smaller food processor, you might only be able to mix half the soap at a time. Next, add 1 cup of washing soda and dump it into the mix. I've heard that you can make your own washing soda by cooking baking soda in the oven, but I'm a little bit too lazy to try that. Now, blend the washing soda and soap chunks together until it makes a nice coarse powder. Why are these 2 ingredients so special? You can put a lot of different things into laundry detergent, but you only really need 2 basic ingredients, soap and water softener. In this recipe, the washing soda acts as the water softener. Softer water allows the soap to do its job better. The soap, well, it's there to clean the clothes. You can add other things to your detergent, but that's all you really need. I've tried many other detergents before settling on this one. We've been using this recipe for 2 years now and we love it because it's so simple, it's inexpensive, and it gets the job done. I place my detergent in a pretty crystal jar and I use about a tablespoon for each load. To help ensure the detergent doesn't dry out, I put this brown sugar bear in the jar as well. I found the bear on Amazon and I'll put a link in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Until next time, I'm Lori, and this is Lori Garcia Studios.